हजार को हार्ट अटैक आ रहा है, मैनेजर हार्ट अटैक।
Assalamualaikum students. Kindly, all of you, kindly turn on your cameras, please. Thank you. Walaikum Assalam. I think write about the life of the Prophet up until the first revelation. ये पार्ट ही आपने रीडिंग भी कर ली थी इसकी शायद. Am I right? हाँ? Is it okay? इसकी पैराग्राफिंग कर ली थी ना आपने इस क्वेश्चन की. पार्ट ए की पार्ट बी की रीडिंग कर ली थी. ओके सॉरी मैंने आप लोगों को म्यूट किया है और फिर मैं आपसे सवाल करूँ. Now you are unmuted. You can tell me now. Okay. Have you written this paragraph of part A? Please tell me. Have you written these paragraphs, Alisha?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So part B is all right. Just see this question, please. Despite living through the days of ignorance, Prophet remained true to his mission. What lessons can Muslims learn from this today? Can anyone explain this question, please? What does this question mean?
Sir, may I?
Yeah, Alisha, sure.
Sir, despite living throughout the days of ignorance, that means throughout the days of, like sir in Urdu said, jahalat, the age of ignorance, where people used to do bad stuff like gambling, drinking. The Holy Prophet, he always stayed true to his vision, even though before revelation he never was involved in bad things. So how can Muslims like today learn how to stay away from evil and to do good deeds?
Very good, Alisha. Is it the question related to before prophethood or after prophethood? This
Before
question is related
prophethood.
to, very good, Bashir. This is related to before prophethood. But students sometimes they are confused about the word from the word mission. So they say this is the question related to after prophet. So you have to write the answer before prophethood, the Holy Prophet never told a lie. Therefore, Quraysh gave him the title of Al-Sadiq. So this gives us lesson that we should never tell lie in our practical life. This is the answer. Okay. Point number one. First, there is no need to write anything. Just let me explain the whole thing, and after that, I'll allow you to write down. The second point is that even living in those days when gambling, drinking was very common, the Prophet never cheated, and therefore Quraysh gave him the title of Al-Amin. So this gives us lesson that we should never cheat with others, even while doing business. Okay. अच्छा, or even living in those days, Prophet was never involved in gambling, drinking, stealing. So this gives us lesson that we should never involve in unethical activities. Or अच्छा, okay, in 2014, this question was asked like this, and in 2019, this question was asked like this. Okay, the Prophet faced challenges in early years, but maintained his good character. How can we learn from this today? Can anyone tell me? Is there any difference in these two questions, or both are same? So you have to just write the year 2000, November 2014, 11, and first copy this question, then write May 2019, 11, copy this question, and then you have to write the answers. Am I right? Let's see how quick you are to copy 2 questions and 1 answer. Gurulan, I'm here.
Yes, sir.
But you are focusing more on your right and left. I have no idea. Who is there?
When my sister is asking some questions, I was doing that.
All right. Arisha, have you got it?
Sir, please scroll up.
All right. First, you have to write this year, November 2014, 11. And this is the question of November 2014, 11. Then you have to write down May 2019. There is no need to write outside Pakistan. Okay, just write this question. And then you have to copy the answer. Zainab, have you got it? Or should I repeat it again?
Yes.
First, you have to write November 2014, 11. Then you have to write despite living to the days of ignorance. And May 2019, this question and answers. So there should be the gap between these two questions. एक लाइन का गैप रखिएगा, ठीक है? डायरेक्ट बगैर गैप के निकाल दीजिएगा. वालेकुम सलाम अरीशा. Zainab is asking you what will be the heading. There is no need to write.
Sir, can you repeat which question you have to write? Your voice was lagging in that time.
Okay, Aisha. First, you have to write down November 2014, 11. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me make it clear to you.
Sir, we have to first write November 2014, 11, then
November
the Prophet
2014, 11.
upon him
Just
faced
then write
challenges.
only part B. Okay, no part A. There is no need to write part A. Part A नहीं लिखना, सिर्फ part B लिखना है. फिर 2019 का part B लिखना है. ठीक है? फिर ये आपने ये आंसर सेम एज डिस्पाइट लिविंग नहीं लिखना, बल्कि बस डायरेक्ट फिर आपने ये आंसर लिखना है. अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir. Sir, ऊपर कर दें.
हाँ. November 2011 only part B, May 2019 only part B, then despite from here despite living.
सर मैंने गलती से मई 2019, 11 पहले लिख लिया है.
It's okay.
सर
It's
कोई
okay.
प्रॉब्लम.
Hold on.
सर ये आंसर पॉइंट्स में लिखना है?
Yes, same. Once you complete it, kindly raise your hand. Arisha has done. Good. Student time is going to end. Muzammil, actually, you have to copy this answer, okay? Great. Great. I asked the students to write only this part B question, then this part B question, and then this answer. Okay, so it's too late. Muzammil, you can take the screenshot. इन दो क्वेश्चंस का स्क्रीनशॉट लेना आप पार्ट 20 का ए लिखना नहीं है फिर बाद में यू कैन राइट या क्वेश्चन लिख लें बाद में आंसर लिख लीजिएगा कैन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट इट्स ओके नाउ इट्स अप टू यू keep raising your hands if you have done it so that I can know that how many students have completed. Thank you. All of you please turn on your cameras, please. Okay, only 3 students have written. Come on, hurry up, be quick.
सर ये क्वेश्चन हमारे नोट्स में होगा?
No. Question is there, but answer is not there. Okay, Abhiha, it's okay. Okay, after 2 minutes, I'll move forward. It's okay. Will you able to write in next 2 minutes? Okay. If you have written done, you have to raise your hand. But after 1 minute, I'll move forward. Okay. If you haven't written, then you have to take the screenshot, and then I'll move forward. If you have written, you can revise. I'll ask the questions. Oral quiz. Focus on it. Okay, at 11:57, I'll move forward.
Sir,
Yes, who is there?
सर अभी मेरी फ्रेंड ने बताया कि आप मुझसे आयशा का पूछ रहे थे मुझे एक्चुअली आवाज ही नहीं आई सॉरी
It's
सर आपने फिर पूछा लेकिन फिर मुझे आवाज नहीं आई।
जी अरीशा,
सर अभी
in May 2019, this question was asked. Describe the main events in the life of the Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him from his childhood until he received revelation. This is the new wording. इसमें क्या आएगा बताओ? Part A. I have
Sir,
already
in
discussed.
Sir, in this, the
Yes.
main events, like the events that were of real importance,
Yeah.
like the events relating how the Holy Prophet got his title
Very
of
good. This is
Sadiq
the
or
same
Amin.
question which we have already discussed from birth till Blackstone. Okay. Part A is same. And in 2016, again, this question was asked from these words. Describe the main events in the Prophet life before he was granted prophethood. This is also the same question. I have shown you 3 different wordings, but answer is same. Okay. But can you see this question? The Prophet's family prepared him for prophethood. Agree or disagree? Give reasons for your answer. Can anyone explain it? Not Arisha.
Sir,
Anyone else would like to explain this question? All right. Basically, this question ये कह रहा है कि प्रॉफिट की फैमिली ने उनको नबूवत के प्रॉफिट के लिए तैयार किया या नहीं किया. तो दोज हु एग्री काइंडली रेज योर हैंड फर्स्ट.
सर लिखना है क्या?
There is no need to write anything. Just I'm discussing one thing so that okay. All right. Please, all of you, please keep your hands down. Okay. Those who disagree, kindly raise your hand. No, no one else. Okay. You are right. सवाल ये कह रहे हैं कि प्रॉफिट की फैमिली ने उनको नबूवत के लिए तैयार किया या नहीं किया. तो आपने एग्री करना है. और इस तरह के जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जो एग्री डिसएग्री वाले होते हैं उसमें आपको स्टेटमेंट देना जरूरी है कि आप एग्री कर रहे हैं या डिसएग्री. उसके बाद आप आंसर लिखेंगे. तो आप लिखते हैं कि आई एग्री विद दिस स्टेटमेंट दैट द प्रॉफिट फैमिली प्रिपेयर्ड हिम फॉर प्रॉफिट. हाउ, कैसे? याद है जब बहीरा ने अबू तालिब से कहा था कि इस बच्चे को ले जाएं वरना ज्यूस कत्ल कर देंगे या नुकसान पहुंचाएंगे, तो अबू तालिब सेंड हिम बैक. और इस तरह से प्रॉफिट की फैमिली ने उनको प्रॉफिट के लिए प्रिपेयर किया. अगर खदीजा ने फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम करके दूर करके जो है उनको नबूवत के लिए तैयार किया. और इस just write, there is no need to write 17. Instead of 17 you have to write question dot May 2016-12 and just write down part B question and then you have to write down this answer as it is. Got it?
सर सिर्फ आंसर लिखना है.
Yes, Anna. Only first you have to write the question of part B. Yeah. May 2016-12, then part B question, then this answer. Okay, Zainab. Got it? what Fariha is saying, Fariha Azhar. Good, Arisha has written.